Stop using expensive chemical garbage to wash your hair. That leaves your hair dry, weak, and falling out. It is literally stripping your scalp, causing breakage, and making your hair fall out. Instead, you need this. In this video, we are making a powerful, all-natural onion shampoo right in your kitchen. It activates dormant hair follicles, supercharges scalp circulation, and stops shedding instantly with consistent use. Washing your hair with this shampoo is a game changer, a shampoo hair revolution. And if you want thicker, longer hair fast, your results will be here. Do not skip a single step. So without further ado, let's get right into this video.
1, 2, 3.
I've already washed 3 red onions and now it's time to peel them. Once they are peeled, I will place them in a bowl and grate them completely. This is the best way to release all the potent natural juice that's locked inside. Freshly grated red onion is loaded with sulfur-rich antioxidants like quercetin and natural antimicrobial properties. Together, these elements fire up scalp circulation, nourish your weak follicles, and reinforce fragile strands right at the root. This powerful combination works wonders to reduce excessive shedding, encourage healthy growth, and transform the look of thin, fragile hair. I want to build a cleaner, lighter, and more effective base for this homemade shampoo. Grating the onions breaks down the tough plant fibers, extracts a much higher concentration of juice, and creates a far stronger botanical blend for our recipe. This is what the onions looks like after grating them. I will now use a cheesecloth to separate the solid particles from the liquid. You will press firmly and strain the mixture to wring out every last drop of the potent onion juice, leaving the dry pulp behind. This step ensures a smooth, clean extract that will blend seamlessly into our shampoo base. Next, I am pouring this fresh onion extract into a clean shampoo bottle to set our foundation. Now, I am topping it off with a high-quality sulfate-free shampoo to keep the formula gentle and safe for your hair. Choosing a sulfate-free option locks in moisture, keeps the blend mild enough for regular use, and prevents your hair from feeling stripped, rough, or dry. As I pour the shampoo into the bottle, you can see it blending smoothly with the onion extract. I'm dropping fresh rosemary straight into the bottle. After that, I'll be adding some peppermint oil. Now let's add some jojoba oil. Next, let's add some argan oil. And finally, I'll be adding some vitamin E. I will now seal the bottle tightly and give it a vigorous shake until it is fully blended. All these ingredients condition the scalp, restore lost moisture, brighten up dull strands, and this formula gives an extra kick to fight shedding and thinning. Finally, our homemade onion shampoo is complete, chilled, and ready to go. Using this powerful wash just once a week will help maintain a healthy scalp environment, amplify natural shine, tame stubborn frizz, and promote noticeably thicker, stronger, and fuller hair over time. Before we finish today's video, I just wanted to let you guys know that my official channel memberships are now open. So if you truly enjoy my hair care videos and you want access to exclusive content before everyone else, you can now join and become part of my private family membership. My first membership is called Hair Besties for $5.99 a month, where you'll get early access to my videos, loyalty badges, custom emojis, and priority replies to all your comments. And my second membership is called Dyer Dolls for $7.99 a month, which includes everything from the list plus exclusive member shoutouts on my videos. So if you would like to support me and get exclusive access, the first link in my description will take you directly to my memberships page for you to check it out. Thank you guys so much for all the love and support. It truly means everything to me and my mom. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye!